Assalamualaikum and hi kids, Cikgu Azrini here. Science Year 2, Electricity. Today, we are going to study about conductors and insulators. Our learning standards for today's lesson are 7.1.5, record whether a bulb will light up when the switch is replaced with other objects or materials by carrying out investigations. And 7.1.6, make a generalization of objects that can light up a bulb in a circuit are conductors, and objects that cannot light up a bulb are insulators. Conductors and insulators, okay, you can refer your Science Year 2 textbook. The bulb will light up when the switch is closed because the electric current flows in a complete circuit. What happens to the bulb if the switch is replaced with other objects or materials? Okay, let's investigate. So, it is going to be an investigation about what is conductors and what is insulator. Okay, so here, apparatus and materials. Okay, what we need: bulb, dry cell, connecting wires, rubber, paper clip, metal spoon, handkerchief, straw, ice cream sticks, coins, and glass rod. So here are the steps. Okay, you need to build a circuit such as the above, and then test every object in the circuit. Observe the bulb and record your observation in the table as shown below. Here is the table of observation. Okay, we list down all the objects that we used to replace the switch. Okay, there are 8 objects here, and then we need to record our observation, whether the bulb lights up or the bulb does not light up, and then whether the object is a conductor or insulator. Okay, so you know a complete circuit. This is a complete circuit. Okay, a complete circuit consists of tri-cell. Okay, this is a tri-cell, and then a bulb, switch, and also the connecting wires that connect all the components together. And then we have learned about the function of each of the component. So the function of this switch is to complete and break the electric circuit. When we close the switch, the bulb will light up because the electricity can flow in a closed circuit. But when we open the switch, the bulb does not light up. So, what happens if we replace this switch with other materials? What would be the result? The bulb will light up or not? So, that's the investigation for today's lesson. Okay, let's see. The first object that I use here is this metal spoon. Okay, what happened when I replace the switch with metal spoon? You look at the bulb. The bulb lights up. Okay, that means this metal spoon is a conductor that allows the electricity to flow through it. Okay, the next object, ice cream stick. Look at the bulb. The bulb does not light up. Okay, ice cream stick is made from wood Okay, it does not allow the electric to pass through it. So this ice cream stick is an insulator. Okay, now paper clip. When I connect the paper clip, the bulb lights up. So this paper clip is a conductor. Okay, this paper clip is made from metal. So it allows the electricity to pass through it and the bulb lights up. Okay, next object is a handkerchief. Okay, the bulb does not light up. So this is an insulator. It does not allow the electricity to pass through this circuit. And then glass. Okay, I just use glass that I have at home. Okay, so you look at the bulb. The bulb does not light up. So this glass is an insulator that does not allow the electricity to pass through it. And then coin. Okay, so you look at the bulb. The bulb lights up. So this is a conductor that allows the electricity to pass through it and lights up the bulb. Okay, so now we can discuss the answers, okay, and complete this table of observation. Okay, the first object, rubber. Okay, rubber, whether the bulb lights up or the bulb does not light up, whether it is a conductor or insulator. Okay, rubber in Malay, getah. Okay, jadi getah tidak dibuat daripada besi. So, the bulb does not light up and this is an insulator. Okay, number 2, paper clip. Okay, paper clip is made from a metal and the bulb lights up. So this is a conductor. Okay, straw. Okay, penyedut minuman. So the bulb does not light up and this is a insulator. And then glass rod. Okay, the same materials as the glass that I test. Okay. So the bulb does not light up and this is an insulator. Metal spoon. Obviously, okay, the bulb lights up and this is a conductor. Okay, ice cream stick. It is made from a wood, so the bulb does not light up and this is also an insulator. And then handkerchief or our clothes, okay, the bulb does not light up and this is insulator. And the last one, coin. Okay, coin, the bulb lights up. This is a conductor. There are 2 questions below. Okay, let us discuss the answers. Number 1. List the objects that can replace the switch to light up the bulb. Okay, senaraikan objek yang boleh menyalakan mentol. So, the answers are paper clip, metal spoon, and also coins. The similarities between these objects are they are made up from metal. So, they can allow the electricity to pass through them. Okay, dia dibuat ketiga-tiga objek ni diperbuat daripada besi dan membenarkan arus elektrik mengalir melalui mereka. Dan kita panggil objek-objek ni conductor. Okay, number 2. List the objects that cannot replace the switch to light up the bulb. Okay, objek yang tidak dapat menyalakan mentol tadi. rubber, straw, ice cream sticks, handkerchief, and also glass rod. Okay, these objects are insulators. Okay, they do not allow the electricity to pass through them. Okay, so you can refer your textbook. Okay, look at this paper clip. I am a paper clip. I allow electric current to flow through me because I am a conductor. So what is the meaning of conductor? A conductor is a material that allows electric current to flow through it. Okay, a conductor is a material that allows electric current to flow through it. Conductor ialah bahan yang membenarkan elektrik melaluinya. Okay. And then look at this rubber. I am a rubber. I don't allow electric current to flow through me because I am an insulator. So what is the meaning of insulator? An insulator is a material that does not allow electric current to flow through it. Okay, so that's the difference between conductor and insulator. Conductor will allow electric current to flow through it, while insulator does not allow electric current to flow through it. Okay, so when you replace the switch with a paper clip, the bulb will light up because it is a conductor. But when you replace the switch with this rubber, the bulb will not light up because this rubber is an insulator. Okay, state two other examples of conductors and insulators. Okay, what do you think? Okay, conductors are objects that made up from metal. Okay, so the answers are screw, or you can say that nail. Okay, screw, paku dibuat daripada besi. So there are conductors. And then insulators. Okay, maybe you can say that a pencil, or even your shirt. Okay, there are insulators. Okay, now let's do your science activity book, page 51, 52, and 53. Okay, page 51, I investigate identifying conductors and insulators. Here are the apparatus and materials that we need. Okay, bulbs, bulb holder, connecting wires, a dry cell holder, dry cell, and then objects to be tested, paper cup, nail, plastic container, and a paper clip. Okay, steps number 1, build a complete circuit and replace the switch with objects to be tested, such as the diagram below. Number 2, color the bulb that lights up in red and the bulb that does not light up in blue. Okay, jadi fahamkan arahan ni. Okay, you need to color the bulb that lights up in red. So when you test the objects, okay, bila awak uji objek-objek ni, mentol yang menyala awak perlu warnakan warna merah. Okay, color the bulb that lights up in red. And then the bulb that does not light up in blue. Mentol yang tak menyala bila disambung dengan objek-objek ni, kita kena warnakan dengan warna biru. Okay, jadi ada 4 set up dekat sini. Okay, 4 objek yang diuji. A, the paper cup. B, nail. C, plastic container. And then D, paper clip. Okay, so here I give you one example. Okay, plastic, when we replace the switch with this plastic, the bulb does not light up. Okay, bila kita gantikan switch dengan plastik, mentol tidak menyala. So what you need to do, okay, just now plastik, mentol tak menyala kan tadi. So C, plastic container, okay, the same material as the plastic. The bulb does not light up, so you need to put a blue color. Bila mentol tak menyala, kita letakkan warna biru. But when we test the nail, okay, bila kita cuba dengan paku kan dibuat daripada besi. So of course, okay, obviously the bulb will light up. So when the bulb lights up, we need to put the red color. Okay, so you do A and D. Okay, because I already gave you the answers for B and C. Okay. So next page, conductors and insulators. Number 1, underline the correct answers. Okay, awak kena gariskan jawapan yang betul. Okay, let's look closer at number 1. Okay. A, an electric conductor is an object that, okay, I already gave you the answers here, okay, that allows electric current to flow through it. Okay, jadi awak kena pilih jawapan dia allow ataupun does not allow. Okay, an electric conductor is an object that, jadi kat sini saya dah bagi satu contoh. Okay, an electric conductor is an object that allows electric current to flow through it. So you underline the correct answer. Okay, B. An insulator is an object that, okay, allows or does not allow electric current to flow through it. Okay, you choose the answer. Okay, insulator allows or does not allow. Okay, so here an insulator is an object that does not allow electric current to flow through it. And then C, Kevin has replaced the switch with a key in the circuit. Okay, dia gantikan switch dengan kunci. Okay, a key. The bulb lights up because the key is conductor or insulator. Okay, you choose the correct answer. And then D, Kogan has replaced the switch with a piece of thread in the circuit, but the bulb does not light up because the thread is a conductor or an insulator. So you choose the correct answer. Underline the correct answers. Okay, number 2. Label the conductor and insulator in the space provided. Okay, cuba tengok gunting ni. Bahagian mana yang conductor, bahagian mana yang insulator. Okay, kita dah belajar tadi, conductor ialah objek yang membenarkan elektrik melaluinya. Okay, jadi biasanya conductor ni diperbuat daripada besi. Okay, so which one is conductor and which one is an insulator? So you label here. And then page 53, conductor or insulator. Kanang, Nisa and Kugan have collected 6 objects from around the school area to test whether the objects are conductors or insulators. Okay, so you need to help Kanang, Nisa and Kugan to classify these objects. We have here screw, needle, plastic cup, aluminium can, leaf and also button. Okay, electric conductors and then electrical insulators. Okay, so which one is electrical conductors? Okay, yang mana conductors, yang mana insulators? So you list down the answers here. Okay, I give you one example. Untuk conductors, screw. And then insulator, plastic cup. Okay, so you need to fill in the other answers. Okay, isikan jawapan yang lain. And then number 1, okay, tempat kosong. And, okay, tempat kosong. Can light up the bulb because these objects are. Okay, so maybe you put here screw and then what are the 2 objects? Okay, can light up the bulb because these objects are conductors. Okay, like that. And then number 2, sama juga tempat kosong. And okay, cannot light up the bulb because these objects are. Okay, maybe you put here plastic cup. Apa lagi? 2 lagi jawapan. Cannot light up the bulb because these objects are insulators. Okay. Okay, so I hope you can complete all the homework and turn in the Google Classroom. So that's all. Thank you.